Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing ball joints on a Dana 30. This happens to be a high pinion Dana 30 out of a XJ that's actually under my LJ. But I'm going to show you how to get these out. I know there's already some videos on that, but I don't know, maybe you have a different tool or whatever, you know, show you a little creativity. So this is the tool we're going to use. First piece we're going to use is this adapter here, which is going to slot down into there. It'll slide up in here. That's going to push the ball joint up and out. And the next piece we're going to use is this little cup right here. So that fits around the ball joint, and it's going to put pressure on the C instead of the ball joint. And then we're going to use this guy right here, which is going to slot into there, and then our ball joint press will drop right into the little dimple in the top of it. And then once you get this cranked down like that, now when you tighten this, it's going to push that ball joint right up and out. And that's how you get the top ball joint out. Now, all of these say don't put an impact on them. So, I mean, you do you, but I have always used an impact on these and I've never had a problem with one. So, and that's it. That's as easy as it is. There you go. Ball joints out. Okay. Now, when you do that, obviously you do damage the ball joint, the upper ball joint. You can damage the little boot here or the ball joint itself, but it is out now. Sometimes you got to heat these. Drop my little thing here. Sometimes you've got to pound on them with a hammer a little bit to get them to come out. Mine popped out pretty easily. Bore looks really good. I don't have any issues here with the bore, so you know we're good there. So I'm going to be putting some rough country ball joints in here. Yes, I know they're probably not the most premium ball joint out there, but this axle is only going back underneath this Jeep temporarily, just so that I can get it back on the road drivable and wheel it for a little bit. Because over in that corner of the shop, buried underneath a bunch of crap at the moment, there is a JK Dana 44 that will be going on this axle. So, or I'm sorry, on this Jeep axle. But as you can see, bore's in good shape. No damage. She just pops right out nice. And then up next, I'll do another video showing you how to get this lower ball joint out. And then I will also do videos showing you how to press them in once you get the new ones ready to go. So I got that upper out. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do this upper. Now yours are probably not going to have this brace right here on them. This right here is an aftermarket part that's been welded to this axle. As you can see, this axle has been trussed, and it has, I believe, a Detroit True Track in it, which will be staying in it. I have to take this all out to do seals because we have a badly leaking axle seal here, and the pinion seal is also leaking. It's a little difficult to see, but you can see this is all covered in oil and crud. And I do have this ratchet strapped to these little stands that I work from, just so that when I'm screwing with it, it won't try to flip off the stand or do anything weird. Last thing you want is an axle rolling into the floor while you're trying to work on it. This is my LJ that I will be doing a bunch of videos on here. It is a 2004 LJ, and it is currently getting some upgrades. It's already got a few. It's got these sway bar quick disconnects on it. I just put extended bump stops on it. It's going to be getting a 4-inch rough country lift thrown onto it. I got to rebuild the control arms for it first because they've been run a lot. I've got new brake lines for it and a bunch of other parts that are going to go onto this Jeep. But I'll be making videos on this thing here for a little while. So for the foreseeable future, the content on my channel is going to be Jeep focused for the most part because, well, that's what I'm working on.